Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
Today's product is the Stanley FatMax cable cutters. Links in the description below. Let's get started in today's video. The FatMax cable cutters with heat treated high chrome steel forging for long life and durability. It has hand ground induction hardened blade for high quality accuracy and a long tool life and polished head. Comfortable and increased control thanks to the new FatMax soft bi-material handles with interlocking joint assembly for smooth cutting. The bi-material handles are resistant to most common chemicals with ergonomic guards for efficient pulling and pushing actions. The specifications include the following: a product length of 215mm and a product weight of 331 grams. The product material is made out of alloy steel. The plier cutter type is a cable cutter and the handle type is anti-slip with a finish chrome and use for cutting and suitable for cables. Stanley is a leading global manufacturer of hand tools, power tools and related accessories, and a flagship brand of the wider Stanley Black & Decker Corporation. Ever since its foundation in 1843, Stanley has been committed to providing professionals across the globe with products which are smart, tough, pioneering and up to the task. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.